For a single asphalt shingle replacement, use 4 nails, evenly spaced near the top edge to secure the shingle without causing stress. When replacing a single shingle, first slide out the damaged shingle and lift the 3 courses above to expose the nail heads. Use a pry bar to remove nails from the damaged shingle and clear any torn felt or adhesive. Position the replacement shingle so its bottom aligns with the adjacent courses and its tabs sit flush with neighboring shingles. Drive 4 corrosion-resistant roofing nails through the common nailing area just below the tar line or manufacturer-indicated line, placing 1 nail near each tab edge and 2 spaced evenly between them. Set nails straight so the heads are flush with the shingle surface but not countersunk, which can crack the fiberglass mat or tear the asphalt. If the roof is on a steep slope or in a high wind zone, follow the shingle manufacturer instructions, which may call for additional nails, and use sealant under the shingle tabs as recommended. Common mistakes include using too few nails, which allows wind lift and leaks, so always use the 4-nail pattern for a single shingle and increase to more nails per manufacturer guidance for full replacements. Over-nailing or driving nails too deep can fracture the shingle or create water channels, so stop when the nail head is flush and avoid using roofing staples for sealing. Another issue is improper nail placement too close to the edge, which causes splitting, so place nails in the specified common nailing area below the adhesive strip and keep them evenly spaced. If in doubt, mark placement points before nailing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share first-hand repair tips and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by listing their services and letting them participate in community conversations so both homeowners and professionals can learn from each other.